What's good, man? I wanted to come on here and talk about some of the things that, especially in times like these, you know what I mean? That the things that you focus on, you got to always remember that's what you're going to get more of. Real talk. So, watching the things that steal your focus is very, very imperative in times like these. This right here is a new property that we just picked up. Actually, this one and the one next door. I'm gonna be showing y'all a little bit of both of them. And this right here is actually the beginning of me kind of building out my own Monopoly board, right? So instead of buying properties here, there, wherever, I'm pretty much trying to buy everything that I possibly can on this particular street. That way I can create my own comps, right? That way I can create my own little Monopoly board, and I can drive the market instead of just being reactive to the market. So right now we're in the process of not only buying these two, but it's a couple other ones down the street, and it's a big lot on the back, and we're gonna pretty much do new construction on everything that's on this side of the street, and everything on this side of the street just gonna be the basic rentals. I'm gonna take you on that journey so you can see, but the main thing I want to talk about is, listen, man, watch the things that you're focusing on. I've cut TV. I've cut a whole bunch of different things so I can focus all of my energy on positive things, right? Like building out my own Monopoly board instead of focusing on everything that's going on the news. Pay close attention to that. Stay focused in times like these and keep pushing.